Today we have the 2018 Ford Tourneo Custom. This vehicle has done just under 84,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside the vehicle, we can see that we have 8 seats in total, all of which are full cloth. To the left of our steering wheel, we can see that we have cruise control as a feature and voice control on the right. On our screen, we can access Apple and Android CarPlay, valet mode and voice control, mobile apps, navigation and Bluetooth. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. Just below we have our AC with heated seats on either side.